What's up guys? Kiora, mabuhay! Hello! Welcome to another vlog. I actually started my day checking out my mailbox. It's been a very long time since I last checked it, which explains the bulk that I got from my mailbox. And one particular mail caught my attention, which is from the Auckland Transport. Let's get into it in a few. So we've got the letter here, and it says the 80 Hop card is a reusable prepaid smart card for travel on Auckland trains, ferries, and buses. The 80 Hop card gives at least 25% discount off single trip cash bus and blah 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 blah. So what's inside is this card. This is the 80 Hop card, and you will have also this information card as well. I actually applied for this hop card via the Auckland Transport website, which I will link in the description box below. What the letter was saying is right. This card can be used in buses, trains, and ferries. This card came in a very good timing today because I am actually northbound to attend a Filipino gathering, so we can put this card to the test. Your first means of transportation getting around Auckland is actually by walking. You can go from one place to another just by walking. It is very easy because walkways are almost everywhere. Walkways are provisioned for all pedestrians, including the disabled ones. Also, with walking, masarap kasi maglakad kasi hindi siya mainit, hindi ka pagpapawisan, so hindi ka manlalagkit. And in general, walking is very safe. Pero of course, be aware lang din sa mga lasing because a lot of drunk people are walking around the city, especially on Friday and Saturday night. So be aware lang, be extra cautious if you're gonna walk like late night or in the wee hours of the morning. So just like in any other proper place except the Philippines, you actually have to go to the bus stop in order to catch the bus. And the bus stops are very helpful because it displays in real time the information about the bus that you are trying to catch. Apps for moving around Auckland is the 80 Metro and the Auckland Transit. I actually use the first one more often. So if you click this, you'll get to input where you are and where are you going, and this app will automatically point you to the nearest bus stop where you can catch a ride. So my bus just arrived and I'm gonna use my tap card for the first time. Thank you. So when alighting the bus, usually yung mga tao nagsasabi ng thank you. Nahawa naman na ako, so lagi na rin ako nagti-thank you. Which is, I think it's a good thing because, you know, yung mga driver din, they deserve all the thank yous for giving you a safe ride, diba? So right now, nandito tayo sa Glenfield. This is a suburb north of Auckland City. As you may have seen, this night is a multicultural night. TBT Sport Night included the feeding, presentation of like different dances, and of course kainan. And let's go check it out. Denise, what's for dinner?
Here we have roast beef, lechon baka joke.
Yeah. My turn. Wow. Opo. Sauce. Thank you. Dinner time. Yep.
A few moments later.
Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi guys, we are back in the city and obviously hindi ko nagamit yung 80 hop card to ride the bus pabalik ng city because hinatid ako ng pinsan ko. So I think dito natin sinimulan yung vlog at dito ko natin siya tatapusin. So you know the drill. If you're not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button below. Comment down whatever you want and keep on watching.